Hi, it's Jason from Fine & Country. Today I'm outside Higher Fordlands, which is a beautiful 5-bedroom, 4-reception room, 4-bathroom period property located just off Hayward Road in the heart of Northam, which is only half a mile from the beautiful sandy beaches of Westward Ho. Originally dating back to 1860, Higher Fordlands here was once part of a larger country estate and is awash with beautiful original features, including this lovely reception space which I'm standing in now. This property also is ideal for multi-generational living because it does have 2 staircases up to 2 separate areas of sleeping quarters. As well as all the period charm this property offers, there is also more recent additions such as this lovely conservatory which I'm standing in now, which has lovely views out towards the gardens beyond and direct access onto the patio. So if you're looking for a generous period property located in a very desirable location, just half a mile from the beaches, with extensive gardens and countryside views, give Fine & Country a call today on 01237 426 018. Thank you.